Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, who most gracious and most merciful, Excellency Dr. Hanifuddin Mahadun and Excellency Dr. Khairul Idawati, as Director Pesantren Supercamp Al-Quran Darabah Harifidah, Honorable all my teacher, junior and senior high school, respectable my mom, my dad, and my love family, and also my friend whom I love. First of all, say thanks to Allah who gives us opportunity so we can learn together in this day. Secondly, salawat and salam to Prophet Muhammad SAW. Hello friend, my name is Al-Hikam Tajul Aulia. I am from 11th grade, senior high school Hanifidah. So now, in front of you, I would like to present my imagination map, the title of the cause and triggers of sneezing. What is the sneezing? Sneezing in one or of body. Most common action, but we don't often take the time to stop and think about the how and happiness. Jadi pokoknya itu adalah Nah, jadi intinya itu adalah bersin adalah salah satu dari badan, reaksi dari badan, pokoknya gitu. Nah, jadi tim minus MDO emergency medicine, emergency medic. Jadi what is the sneezing? Sneezing is simply pokoknya itu sneezing simple. Sneezing itu apa? Mengeluarkan udara yang ada di dalam hidung atau ke dalam tenggorokan. Bagi penyedap alergens atau pengidap penyakit alergi, dirt and dust atau kotoran dan debu. The sneeze reflex. Nah, jadi reflex bersin adalah gara-gara iritasi of the nasal lining. Pokoknya the sneeze reflex start with the irritation of the nasal lining as sensed by the cilia on this case. And cabang yang ketiga adalah before the sneeze. Before the sneeze is the just before your sneeze. Pressure build up in your chest as your chest muscles compress your lungs and your vocal cords. Okay, sekian dari saya. Plus minus I'm sorry. Plus minus I'm sorry. Okay. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.